So we're in Casela now, just on the bus waiting to go to safari. The entrance fee, not the entrance fee, the entrance was a canal. Pre-booked. Some geezer tells us to stand in the queue, which we didn't even have to. We could just scan our PDFs into the thing, so that was a real waste of time. So if you get here, just go scan it in.
La vidéo, le bas
I can't reach it.
Well, we've just done the roller coaster, that was good. Sammy pooed her panties. Yeah, she bottled it a bit.
Still done it though, so.
Oh, was that the safari thing? Yeah, she bottled it. She did.
Did you make it seem like I didn't do it?
Done it,
I
but
did
very
do it.
slowly.
I didn't do it very slowly.
Very slowly, she did.
No, I didn't.
She did.
There was points I went a bit slow.
Too slow.
Shush.
Way too slow.
Oh look.
Oh look, we can get on that observation point. Let's go up there, shall we? Let's have a look. Some people playing with cheaters over there. I hope they're playing fairly.
You say?
I said, I hope they're playing fairly. Oh yeah. Oh, it's hot. Oh wow. They're playing with old flags over there. Cheaters.
Cheers.
Oh, I wasn't recording. I'm never recording, so we're going to get the food. Does that mean I've missed recording the camels?
I'm not sure.
So, that's what I was saying. The safari was a bit lame. Looking at animals walking around. Roller coaster was good though. I like the roller coaster. That was really good. So now we've got to find where we're going to get some food. We've got to get a bus. Where's the bus stop?
It was somewhere around here.
The bus stop was around here somewhere. But where was the bus stop? This is the problem. Where was the bus stop? You remember where it
I
was?
think it was somewhere around. It did just literally drop itself around. Oh, look at his face.
That's a big old boy, isn't it?
Massive. Hello. Oh wow.
They've got bell end heads.
Oh. Hello. Really funny sound then.
There's a big old tortoise. Big beast.
Hello.
Yeah, it's making a funny noise because we're annoying its food.
Disturbing you while you're eating.
Yeah. Oh, there's another couple over here. Oh. Where you gone? These are some big ones.
How big they are.
Ah, it's a big boy.
Oh, wow,
Oh.
his little head. Hey, mate.
He's a big one.
Hello.
As you can hear, she thinks they speak English.
Hello.
As we all know, they speak French.
Look at him poking his head out a bit more. Hey, mate.
What are you bogging out?
Look at his little nose.
Oh, this one's a big one. Check this one out. God.
God, no,
It's a
look at
big
the size
boy.
of that one.
Huh?
Oh, and the small one, look at that. That's huge.
Yeah,
He's even bigger, I think.
there's some big tortoises. Let's stroke him. His legs are.
Do you reckon that tickles them when you
I
stroke
don't
them?
know, but obviously they're weary. I mean, you touch them.
Hello.
It stinks.
Hello. Stopped eating as well, though, now.
Hey, what?
He stopped eating. Now he's
Yeah,
eating.
they're still weary humans. There's probably some idiots who come in here. Alright, pain in the backside.
Oh, look, he wants to move.
He's like, move! Get out my way!
Get out the way. Get out the way.
Yeah. He's having a bit of food. I look like that in the cold mornings.
Oh, look at him. Hello.
Oh.
He tries to eat it.
No, just look at it. He's posing for the camera.
Hello, mate.
Making sure we don't bother him. That weird mouth. A funny old soul, isn't he?
Got a lot of little ants crawling over his shell as well. Imagine living life that slow.
I am David Attenborough.
Hello, mate. They feel so rough, didn't they?
Yeah.
A big old fella.
He's a big
Oh,
old
he's
boy.
just like, please let me just eat.
Oh,
Would you please kindly take a picture?
I'll take it with this. Right, I think that's done. Give me your phone anyway.
And then we'll leave this one because I think he's
He's had enough of us.
Yeah, which is fair enough. You want to eat.
Yeah, he's having a bit of food. There you go.
I think I really want to be touched while I'm eating. It's alright, Bubs.
Just a couple more.
Can I get a picture of you with one?
Oh, he's sniffing his bum.
Ready to have sex, probably. She's little, isn't she, compared to the rest?
Yeah,
Hello.
little one.
They do look like a little old scrotum, don't they?
He's just trying to get his end away, but it's too bloody hot and he can't be arsed all of a sudden.
Probably. I just think I've got an audience.
Yeah.
Go on, you get in so I can get a picture of you with one. Watch they don't bite you. Oh, he's actually looking right up at the camera as well. Stay there. Hello. Oh, go on. Put your head in.
Some tortoises.
They're massive, aren't they?
They are some beasts. Should go check these ones out in the shade.
Yeah.
They might be a bit more livelier.
I can't believe how big they are.
See if they're
First
anything
of all,
to
I thought
say.
they were just rocks.
No,
having a
they are
nap.
alive. No, well and truly.
He's really sleeping. Look at this one. Oh, he was until I disturbed him.
He was, you woke him up.
Oh, his little head.
She does it to me as well, mate. George broke my neck the other day. I was having a little sleep, and next thing I know, I'm being strangled.
Oh my god, no, he was not.
I was.
Someone was hogging all the cover. And I was
Yeah, but
trying
there's
to
no
get
reason
it
to
out.
strangle
No,
anybody.
I was not. You had it
You
firmly
can't,
under your armpit.
you
and I was
can't, you
trying to
can't
pull it
kill
slightly.
someone for cover.
Oh,
You know,
look at this one.
death become me. He's on the move, isn't he? Where's these other ones you speak of?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, having a wander. You're gonna have to touch every single one of them.
I did it. That feels so weird. Well, I haven't got much
Oh,
water,
yeah.
have I?
Into the camera.
I'm right here.
Is he,
I'm here. I'm in my element. I love animals.
Creatures.
I do. I absolutely love
She
animals.
loves a creature.
It's because I'm a creature
She
myself.
she murdered 3 spiders,
Oh, I did
but
not.
saved 3 snails.
Hi.
We were, hey,
She said hi.
yeah,
Trying to get into our vlog.
yeah. It's gonna be good.
No, I did not. Thank you. Telling my secrets.
What's in
But
there?
I did save a ginormous snail.
Have a
in
look
the
what's in there,
cyclone from
quickly.
drowning. Yeah.
Yeah, she saved a snail. This snail was like sitting on his neck like that,
He had
trying to
his head
keep out of the
under
water.
And then it dropped, didn't it?
And
Why
then,
is it in the water?
She saved it.
In the treacherous weather.
Yeah,
It was a cyclone.
yeah. Picture of a turtle head. She's famous for turtle heads, this one. Oh, what else we got to do in Casela?
I'm not entirely sure. Go for a wee.
Yeah, let's go
Because
for a
I'm
wee.
busting.
We had our lunch and we just had burgers. They were nice burgers, but the chicken was better than what'd you say?
And the beef.
The chicken was better than the beef. Yeah, and they still need to get their act together. There's like 2 waiters in a whole restaurant for a ton of people. It wasn't
Quite
great.
slow, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh look, he's up and about moving. Look at this one.
Oh yeah.
That's the
Oh look, it's apple.
Oh wow. Oh look.
Oh well, it's not here.
Crash landing.
Yeah. You put it on a stick and eat it.
Oh look at it.
I'll get it stand up on its legs and everything.
That's amazing. Ah!
So they got food, get them away.
Wow.
How cool. I didn't know we could have bought the food, we could have bought some.
Oh, this one. God, how tall they are.
Yeah. That's amazing.
That is really cool.
Right, sign off, laters. Rightio. So that was Casela. Ooh. That was 1,200 rupees per person. But that included entrance.
About a 45-minute safari.
Oh yeah, the safari, which I thought was boring as you like. She liked it though, she stroked a zebra.
I did.
And roller coaster thing, which was good. And then we paid about the same, 1,200 each for what was it? For burger, which can be chips and salad, and 2 large beers.
So if you do come here, get the chicken burger because that was definitely
That was better
than the beef burger.
Yeah,
massively.
It was loads better, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, where's the car? Where's the whip? I'll find that. Anyway, thanks for joining us on our mission to Casela.
Bye.